One particularly dreary Wednesday afternoon, Max was in his bedroom with his neighbor Cassie and his favorite plush toy, Rex the formidable dinosaur. The weather was not to Max's liking.
Look at all those puddles. I bet it's fun splashing around.
Puddles are wet. Hey, you have a science kit.
Yeah, science is great, but it's not as fun as splashing.
The video you just watched was actually made with AI. So welcome to our new video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can also create the same animated children's story video in just a few minutes with the help of AI. I will cover everything, such as how to create a good story, animate characters, and sync their lip movements. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Now, you don't need to use different tools to make children's story videos, because today I'm going to use an AI tool called Artflow AI. It's specifically designed for generating animated children's stories. I will provide the link to this tool in the description below, and you can sign up for free. It also has a paid plan, which is quite affordable, and you can try it later. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here, we have some features like Character Builder, Image Studio, Video Studio, and Story Studio. Right now, I'll show you how to create a simple story video. Okay, so go to the Story Studio. Here, you'll see some sample stories to get an idea of the type of story video you can create. Okay, now I'll go to My Stories and click on Create Your First Story. Here, it's asking, what story are we creating today? There are two options here. The first is, help me get a story, and the second is, I have a story. Since we don't have a story right now, I'll choose the first option. All right, now, a chat box will open, which is actually a bot that will ask you questions about story creation. Okay, it's asking, who is your audience? You can type anything, but since we want to create a children's story, I'll write 5-6-year-old children here. Now it's asking, what's your goal by creating this story? I'll write, for entertaining children. After that, we need to select the genre. Genre means the type of story you want. So I'll choose a children's story from here. Now it's asking, any quick ideas what this story is about? If you have any ideas, you can simply write them here. If you don't have a story, you can take help from ChatGPT. I went to ChatGPT and asked, I am a YouTuber and I want some interesting children's story ideas. Can you please give me some ideas? As soon as I entered the prompt, ChatGPT provided me with 10 story ideas in just a few seconds. Try using different prompts so that ChatGPT doesn't give you repeated answers. Okay, by the way, I've provided more than 600 prompts in the description from ChatGPT and Midjourney. These prompts are designed especially for those looking to create children's storybooks or story videos quickly. In this set, you'll get 300 ChatGPT children's story prompts and 300 Midjourney prompts. Using these, you can easily get stories written by ChatGPT and generate super high-quality images from Midjourney or Leonardo. If you want to save time and get top-notch results, go for it. I've included the link in the description for you to check out. Now, let's get back to our topic. So, we have our story now. I'll copy any one of these stories, like this one, and paste it in Artflow. Then I'll hit Generate Storyline. You'll see that in just a few seconds, this tool has provided us with an outline for a story character-wise. All right. Now, I quickly click on Create the Story. Here you can choose the story format according to your preference. Since we are making a story for YouTube, I'll choose horizontal. Now you need to choose the visuals for your story, such as the visual style for characters and scenes, like digital art, cartoon, 3D animation, storybook, etc. Okay, so I choose 3D animation and then I hit Continue to Character Creator. Now you'll see the characters of your story here, and you can make changes if you want. For now, I'll click Continue to Storyboard. Okay. You can see that our story creation has started. It will take a minimum of 1 minute. You can see that the story is gradually getting ready, and finally the story is created. You can see how well the tool has generated the characters. I really liked it. Now, if you don't like any character, you can change it here. All right. If you slide right, you'll see all the scenes, and you can see that all the scenes are quite clear. I really like this tool. So for now, our story video is ready, and I'll export and download it from here. Let's see how the video turned out.
In a magical forest where the trees whispered secrets and the flowers glowed with enchantment, a young squirrel named Sammy made a remarkable discovery. One day, while exploring the depths of the forest, Sammy stumbled upon a hidden treasure, a glowing object nestled within the cozy embrace of a tree hollow. Bella, a playful bunny who was always up for an adventure, hopped over to Sammy, her fluffy ears twitching with curiosity.
Our story video looks great, but it uses normal animation. Don't worry. Now I'll tell you another method in which you can create a story video with talking characters. All right. Now I'm back to the dashboard. Okay, now we need another story here. You can use the previous one or easily generate a new one with ChatGPT. Okay, now I have a story that I'm going to use for creating a video. So we need some images to animate. There are 3 ways to generate images. First, you need to go to the image studio and click on Create Your First Image. You can follow this method if you have the pro plan of this tool. For now, let me quickly explain. Keep Artflow V2 on to ensure high-quality image generation. Set the image type ratio to 3:2. Then, add the prompt. You can copy the first sentence from the story and paste it here. Next, go to Image Style and choose 3D Cartoon. Finally, hit Generate, and in a short time, the tool will generate images for you. You can see that the image looks good and it's perfect for 3D animation. But if you try to download them, it will prompt you to purchase the Pro plan. It depends on what you want to do. The second method is to try Leonardo AI, which is also free. However, today I'll try Runway ML. It also allows you to generate free images without watermarks. Just go to App, Runway ML, then go to Text to Image. Make sure the ratio remains widescreen. Choose 3D Cartoon in Style, add the first sentence from your story, and hit Generate. Within a minute, the tool will generate the image for you, and it has also provided us with a good quality image. All right, so I like these 2 images, and I'll quickly download both of them. Similarly, I'll copy the second sentence and add it here to generate another image. Okay, you need to follow this process and generate all the images related to the story. It's a bit time-consuming, so I'll fast forward this part. In the meantime, you can enjoy some music. All right. I've prepared images for all the scenes. Now let's go back to Artflow. This time, you need to go to the video studio and click on Create Your First Video. All right, this is the dashboard. First, I'll import the image for the first scene. Okay, then I'll add this image to the timeline. After that, add a new scene, import the image for the second scene, and add it to the timeline as well. I'll continue importing all the images and adding them to the timeline scene-wise. Make sure no image and scene are mismatched. Okay, I've uploaded all the images like this. Now we need to add voiceovers here. We have to set character-wise voices for each scene. For example, in this scene, we need to add a different voice for this character. You can add voices here, and you can also find good quality voices here. But most voices are available in the Pro plan. That's why I'll use 11 Lab, because I get many options for different character voices there. Just go to 11 Lab, go to the voice library, add a good voice, and then copy-paste the first dialogue here. Choose the voice and generate the voice. Now, in the same way, you need to copy the dialogue for the next scene and paste it here. This time, I'll change the voice, generate it, and download the voiceover. All right, next, I'll copy this dialogue again, change the voice, and generate the voiceover. You need to generate voices for different characters like this. Now that I've generated the voiceovers, I'll go back to Artflow. Here, you can see that I'm in the first scene, and I'll go to the dialogue section. From here, I'll add the first voice to the first scene. Similarly, in the second scene, I'll upload the voice. Now, for the fourth scene, we need to add a voiceover, and we only want to animate this character. For that, you just need to click on the mic icon. An animation will be enabled for this character. Then you can use the voice here, and it will only apply to this character, not both. This way, you can animate any image, just make sure your image is such that the face is detected properly. All right. Similarly, you need to add voiceovers to the remaining scenes. And if you want, you can add some effects to the video here. You get some animations here. Just select the scene and add the effect to it. Okay, after doing this, you need to export the video from here. The video will be exported in just a few minutes, and your video will look something like this.
Once upon a time, 2 boys were living in a village. Sonu and Monu were their names. They worked and played together. They used to go everywhere together. Once, their father said to Sonu,
Sonu, can you please go and bring some woods from the nearby clearing in the jungle?
Yes, Dad.
Sonu set out at once to go to the jungle. As always, Monu saw Sonu stepping out of the house and started accompanying him to the jungle.
Afterward, you can add background music and some sound effects to this video in any editing software. And doing this will make your video even better. It's a straightforward process, so I won't go into more detail. All right, and if possible, consider buying its Pro plan if you're serious about this work. I've provided the link in the description below. Okay, So, my friends, this is just an example of how you can create a video in this tool. It entirely depends on how creative you are and how do you do storytelling. In the end, hard work pays off and you will get the result. All right, so thank you for watching, and you should also check out another video where I've explained another powerful way to create children's animated videos.